Welcome to our tutorial on ASP.NET with SQL Server Quick Guide. In this video, we will explore how to integrate ASP.NET with the SQL Server to build web applications. ASP.NET is a powerful framework for building web applications. SQL Server, on the other hand, is a reliable database that stores and retrieves data efficiently. Together, they can create robust applications. ASP.NET is a framework developed by Microsoft that allows developers to build dynamic web applications using different programming languages, including C# and VB.NET. SQL Server is a relational database management system that provides a secure and scalable platform for data storage and management. To get started, you will need to install Visual Studio and SQL Server. Follow the installation steps to set up your development environment. Open Visual Studio and create a new project. Select the appropriate template for your ASP.NET application to get started. Connecting to SQL Server requires a connection string. Here is a sample format that you use. Make sure to replace the placeholders with your actual server details. Let us discuss CRUD operations. We will go through code snippets for creating, reading, updating, and deleting records in your database. The stored procedure for adding a new record. The stored procedure for updating already existing record in the table. Selecting data from the table. The stored procedure for deleting a record from the table. ASP.NET application will call these stored procedures to interact with the database. The application send a request, the stored procedure execute on the database, and the results are sent back to the application to be displayed to the user. In conclusion, integrating ASP.NET with the SQL Server opens up a world of possibilities for developing powerful web applications. Explore further to enhance your skills. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more technical information.